Hello friends, my name is John Nick and you are watching YouTube channel John Nick. In this video, I am telling you Rozgar Samachar Saptahik. This is the employment news of first week of August. In friends, there are all different types of vacancies information including state government and PUCs. All vacancies information from central government employment newspaper. Before begin the video, if you don't subscribe my channel, subscribe now. Also you want all the updated notification and videos, press the bell icon. Let's begin.
सत्यमेव जयते नान्यतम सत्येन पंथा विततो देवयाना ब्रह्मंत्रिशयो ह्यप्तकामा यत्र तत्सत्यस्य परमं निधानम लोकोपनिषद का यह मंत्र में 1949 में इंडिया का नेशनल मोटो घोषित किया गया था। बस 4G का फास्ट इंटरनेट कनेक्शन और गूगल की कृपा है। फास्ट इंटरनेट
So guys, first vacancy is coming from Indian Army. This is for women's military police. Post है 90 soldiers general duty. This vacancy is only for women only. So its eligibility criteria is matriculation 10th SSC LC. Age limit is 17 years and a half to 21 years. Last date of application 31st August 2020 and salary is good. So apply online. All Indian females are eligible to apply. Okay, so next vacancy is coming from Delhi Police. So in Delhi Police, post is 5,846 Constable Executive. Eligibility criteria is 12th pass. Age limit is between 18 to 25. Also category wise extension like SC ST 5-year extension. After that, last date is 7 September 2020 and application fee is 100 rupees for general OBC, EWS and no fee for SC ST female ex-serviceman. Salary is 5,200 to 20,200 including PM GPay rupees 2,000. So all Indian male and female can apply by online. Link is given in description. Work location is New Delhi. So guys, in this video I will give you a short information of all kind of vacancies. So if you want to details, go and check the link given in description. I give you short information because of want to save time, so that's why. If you really want to know full information, go in description, check the notification of every vacancies. So guys, next vacancy is State Bank of India SBI. Post is 3,850 circle based officer. Eligibility criteria is graduation plus 2-year experience in any scheduled commercial bank. So age limit is maximum 30 years. Last date of application 16 August 2020. Application fee 0 to rupees 750 for general OBC EWS and no fee for SC ST PWD candidate. Salary is 23,700 to 42,020 per month and applying mode is online. So guys, next vacancy is coming from Uttarakhand Subordinate Service Selection Commission. Post is 158 personal assistant stenographer. Eligibility criteria is 12 pass plus typing. Age limit is between 18 to 42 years. Last date of application is 14 September 2020. Application of fee rupees 300 general OBC EWS and rupees 150 for SC ST PWD candidate of Uttarakhand. Salary is 29,200 to 92,300 per month. All Indian male and female candidates can apply online. But advantage of reservation only for Uttarakhand. So next vacancy also coming from Uttarakhand Subordinate Service Selection Commission. Post is 142 accountant clerk. Eligibility criteria is 12 plus typing. Age limit is between 18 to 42 years. Last date of application is 14 September 2020. Application fee is rupees 300 for general OBC, EWS and 150 for SC ST PWS candidate of Uttarakhand. Salary is good 21,700 to 69,100 per month. All Indian males and females can apply online mode. But reservation advantage only for Uttarakhand only. So guys, next vacancy is coming from Indian Institute of Technology Delhi. Post is 45. There are different type of posts: junior assistant, senior laboratory assistant, senior mechanic, junior superintendent, caretaker and other posts. Eligibility criteria is diploma in engineering, diploma in hotel management, graduation, BCom, BTech, MCA. There are different kinds of qualification because of different kinds of posts. Age limit is maximum 35 years. Last date of application is 24 August 2020. Application of fee is rupees 200 for general and OBC and no fees for SC ST PWD candidate. Salary is 21,700 to 1,12,400 per month. So work location is Delhi, and all India male and female can apply online mode. So next vacancy is coming from UPSC, Union Public Service Commission. Post is 559, Junior Scale Post Assistant, Divisional Medical Officer and General Duty Medical Officer. Eligibility criteria is MBBS degree and age limit maximum is 32 years. Last date of application is 18 August 2020. Application fee is 0 to 200 rupees for general category and no fees for female, male and SC/ST categories. PWD candidate also. Salary is good salary. All Indian males and females, also transgender, also apply online mode. Link is given in description, so check it. So next vacancy is coming from Indian Army. Post is 40 post 132 and technical graduate course January 2021. Eligibility criteria is engineering degree and age limit is 20 to 27 years. Last date of application is 26 August 2020 and application fee is 0. There is no application fees. It's very good news. And salary is very good. You all know 56,100 to 1,77,000 per month. All Indian male and can apply. But there is one thing, only unmarried males can apply in this job. So those who are unmarried, please apply now. And I give link in description, so take it. So next vacancy is coming from Department of Post India. Post is 5 post staff car driver. Eligibility criteria is 10 pass plus valid driving license. Age limit is between 18 to 27 years. Last date of application 19 August and application is 0. Application fee is 0. There is no application fee. Salary is 19,900 per month and all India's male female can apply. Also apply mode is online and this work location is Hyderabad, Telangana. So next vacancy is coming from AAI, Airport Authority of India. Post is 180 junior assistant. Eligibility criteria is engineering degree. Age limit is maximum 27 years. Last date of application is 2 September 2020. Application fee is 300 for general OBC and no fee for SC/ST PWD candidate. Salary is from 40,000 to 1,40,000 per month. All Indian male and female can apply online mode. Check the link in description. Next vacancy is coming from SEBI, Security and Exchange Board of India. Post is 147, Officer Grade A, Assistant Manager. Eligibility criteria is graduation in law, engineering degree and PG. Age limit is maximum 30 years. Last date of application is 31st October 2020. Application fee is 100 to 1000 rupees. Salary is 28,150 to 55,600 per month. All Indian male and female can apply online mode and work location is New Delhi. And please check the link in description. So next vacancy is coming from Department of Environment, Bihar. Post is 484 Forest Guard. Eligibility criteria is 12 pass. Age limit is 18 to 23 years. Last date of application is 4th September 2020. And application fee for general 450 rupees. General OBC and EBS candidate and 112 for SC/ST candidate. Salary is 21,700 to 69,100 per month. All Indian males and females can apply online and work location is Bihar. So next vacancy is coming from Rajasthan High Court. Post is 72 chauffeur or driver. Eligibility criteria is 12 pass. Age limit is 18 to 40 years. Last date of application 31st August. Application fees from 250 rupees to 400 rupees. 400 for general OBC and 250 for SC/ST candidate. Salary is 20,800 to 65,900 per month. All Indian male and female can apply online mode and work location is Rajasthan. So next vacancy is coming from High Court of Judiciary at Allahabad. Coming from Allahabad. Post of 102 law clerk trainees. Eligibility criteria is 3-year professional experience. It's a 3-year experience. 5-year integrated degree in law. 5 years. Also you have a degree in law. Age limit is between 21 to 26. Last date of application 8 August. Application fee for all categories 300 rupees only and salary is per month 15,000. But this is a offline mode application. All Indian candidate male and female can apply offline mode and work location is Allahabad, UP. So next vacancy is coming from Department of Post Office of the Chiefest Postmaster from Haryana Circle. Post is 50th Post Assistant, Sporting Assistant Postman, Mail Guard and Multitasking Staff. Eligibility criteria is 10 and 12 pass. Age limit is 18 to 27 years. Last date of application 30 July 2020. Application fee for all candidates 100 rupees and salary is 18,000 to 81,100 per month. But this is a offline mode application. And also this is only for those who belong for sport. This vacancy is only for sport quota from Haryana. So next vacancy is coming from CRPF, Central Railway Police Force. So there are different type of posts. 789 constable, head constable, assistant, sub-inspector, SI, sub-inspector, SI, inspector, and others. But this is the technical type of post like staff nurse, radiography, pharmacist, physiotherapist, X-ray assistant, nursing assistants, electrical, cook, dhobi, washerman, and eligibility criteria is also different type of 10th matriculation, diploma, degree. So check the details in below. I give you in description. Age limit is 18 to 30 years. Last date of application is 31st August, and application fee is 0 to 200 for different type of post. So salary is 21,700 to 1,42,000 per month. So this is a offline mode application. All Indians, male and female, can apply, but this is offline mode. So check in details in description. Next vacancy is coming from Central Medical Service Society (CMS). This is the central government service. Post is to private secretary and office assistant. Eligibility criteria is graduation and experience plus experience. Age limit is maximum 40 years. Last date of application 10th August, and application fee is 0, and salary is 25,000 to 35,000 per month, and the work location is New Delhi. Next vacancy is coming from JKSSB, Jammu and Kashmir Service Selection Board. Post is 10,464, class 4 accountant assistant panchayat. Eligibility criteria is 10th pass or graduation. Age limit is maximum 40 years. Last date of application for some post 25th August, and for some other post 31st August 2020. Application fees for all type of candidate 350 rupees, and salary is 14,800 to 47,100 per month. But in this post, only for Jammu and Kashmir peoples only, candidates only. For others, there are only few vacancies. So let's move to next vacancies. So next vacancy is also coming from Jammu and Kashmir Service Selection Board. Post is 1,889 account assistant panchayat. Eligibility is graduation, and age limit is 40 years. Last date of application 31st August 2020, and application fees for all candidates 350 rupees. Salary is 29,200 to 92,300 per month. Application mode is online. All male and females can apply online mode, and work location is Jammu and Kashmir. So guys, this is a Rozgar Samachar from Employment News for August 1st week 2020 to apply all kind of vacancies. Every Monday at 9 p.m. I upload this video for you guys. So guys, if you really want to this type of job notification, please subscribe my channel. I hope you like the video. So please share with your friends, and also press the bell icon for job notification on every Monday at 9 p.m. Also, stay healthy, stay safe, be a kind, and help others. Your friend and host signing out, John Nick.